Let's tell you the latest related to how Narendra Modi is now going to take charge on the 26th of May. The challenges before him are many. Hectic meetings are being held to decide on who would get the top berths in his cabinet. And if sources are to be believed, Narendra Modi is looking at inducting several first-time MPs in his ministry.
His first entry into the parliament, Narendra Modi bowed down on the steps leading to the Central Hall. And in 3 days from now, he's set to take oaths and walk these steps in the corridors of power. And on top of the agenda is finalizing his team. And hectic parleys are already on for a cabinet berth in Team Modi.
With Narendra Modi back in the capital after resigning as Gujarat Chief Minister, there are a series of meetings which are expected both at Rajnath Singh's residence as well as Gujarat's Bhavan.
Sources have told your channel that Modi is likely to induct several first-time MPs in his cabinet and will be reviewing portfolios of at least 24 parliamentarians in key meets.
On Friday, Narendra Modi has a series of meetings lined up. Of course, the primary focus of all these meetings will be the nuances of cabinet formation, who gets what, putting the final touches on that final list.
In fact, sources have also indicated that Modi could discuss the options of clubbing smaller ministries for better management in his meetings with bureaucrats on Friday.
He also has some very critical meetings lined up with the National Security Advisor as well as the senior bureaucrats.
For now, the action has shifted to the Gujarat Bhavan, where he is set to have back-to-back meetings to zero in on the Modi cabinet. Bureau Report, Times Now.